This place is like a passion project for me. When your first 2 words of your vision statement are have fun, you got to make that real.
Tours like this are important because we make relationships, and building custom homes is all about relationships.
As interior designers, I think it tends to be a misconception that we are often surface level and only interested in the aesthetics.
Seeing the facility and kind of having a personal tie and relationship to their culture and their brand and kind of seeing how things are being done, I think it makes people want to invest in learning about the product more.
My favorite is right when people walk in. You've got this kind of big dramatic opening, and I love kind of the awe and grandeur of just, they know that their whole experience when they visit is going to be different the second they walk in that lobby. We're the company that's going to say yes when they have some design challenge. We're going to be the company that finds a way to overcome some quirky feature that they know it's exactly what they need for their project. And I feel like that sets the tone, so now the fun on the tour is to actually tell them the story behind every decision we made, and it's going to excite them even more.
We're going to walk through the factory. Again, any questions that you have, please ask.
You know, I think the thing that people consistently are the most surprised by is how linear our shop is. Just a very logical flow of the material. When we were at the old shop, we were at 15-day lead time. Now they've got it down to 5 hours. That takes an entire team.
Our office space is something that's a little unique, a little different than maybe some of the other manufacturers you've toured. So have a good time.
I think Western is amazing. A lot of what they're doing is really adventurous and unique.
Nothing is really out of the ordinary for them.
When they're talking about 15-foot high doors,
It's impressive that their culture kind of runs through all of it, and the connection between the manufacturing side and the sales side is really incredible to see.
Usually when people leave, they're always impressed with our windows and doors, but they're even more impressed with the vibe of the company. And we want all of our staff pushing us to greatness, and that starts first with just asking our customers, what do you need next? Because we're never going to let someone run faster than us to solve their problems.